Right up, hi all. So something to unbox here. So this is the condition I've received in. This should be an Autolace replica Night Mag to version 4. Put that in there. Hide that out of the way. Cool. Let's do this because it's got addresses on and all that sort of stuff. That's all. It opens carefully. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. Cool. Excellent. So as expected, definitely much weightier, but it looks very, very nice. Interesting, yeah. So this one here's got a fault with these. So I mean, it's an absolutely beautiful shoe. Electronics are hopefully held in the back here like they normally are. So we've got this. We have got power cable and some sort of adapter, potentially. Buttons on the side here. And I believe from the video, one does opening and the other one, well, one's lights and one's opens and closes. I think one of them is a blank, basically, to make it look like a genuine pair. So let's press this button here. Okay, so this is obviously the lights, and that's obviously the fault. And then the Autolace here with 2 buttons. So red one. Okay, red one loose. Oh, okay, so it wants to loosen, wants to tighten. Very nice. And then the other button, the green button, yeah, you can feel it's blank. Okay, cool, excellent. So again. I mean, it's top notch. I mean, look at that. Incredibly good design. Okay, cool, excellent. So yeah, we'll have a look at those, see what size they are. Those are a UK size 12, it says there, 31 centimeters. So yeah, very, very nice. So I should certainly be trying these babies on as well. Nice, okay, cool. Yeah, but now is to find the issue with the faults. So what I'm probably going to do is look underneath the sole first. I doubt it'll peel up, normally a stitch, so I'll probably have to very, very carefully cut a nice neat hole into that to find where the battery is and the connectors are for this. And then if it's all looks spot on there, then it's very likely to have to remove this, and that usually involves cutting this off, because you can't heat this material because it just melts. So you have to, as neat as you can, just cut in between it, because there's nothing else you can do between there. Cool, nice one. I shall crack on. Excellent. Sweet. Right, hi all. So yeah, just before I start to take the shoe apart, I'm just having a quick look around the shoe, just to sort of check it out quickly. So you can see here, there's a just fingerprint just here, or a mark, but fingerprint style mark there. If you can see that, that's all pretty nice. There's a few marks on the bottom, bit of debris on the bottom there, a little bit of a scuff on here. That all looks good. A little bit of a mark there. Nice toe. And I say there's just like just general like bit of a few marks, bit of dirt, that sort of stuff in there. Same as around here. Just to have a sort of look around the shoe. That's all. Just before I start to do anything. That's all. Because these are very expensive shoes. Yeah, cool. Cool. And that's very, very impressive. That is very impressive. And then the lights. Excellent. Okay, right. Yep, so read it now. I'm basically going to go for, well, later on, I'm going to go for the inside section here, see what we can find in there, and then if nothing, this piece here will come off the back. Nice one. Cheers. Yeah, and I say this mark here is the most obvious one. I mean, it's nothing major, but it's the sort of thing that you can probably get off with a, potentially a wet cloth. I wouldn't use any products on it, I wouldn't think. Nice.